What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Garage Boy Lee. We back here with another lit video. So as you can see in the little clip we did before, when your car is a fishbowl, no tints on it at all, you have no privacy, and it tends to make your car look 10 times better. So guess what we'll be doing today, DIY style? Boom, tinting the car. Now this isn't the first car we tinted. We practiced it on my brother's rental. He has a 330 over there. He rented for a day or two because he didn't want to drive this to where he had to go. So yeah, boom, right? Very first thing you're gonna need is your tint solution. This is just soap and water. Then we got this kit on Amazon, a Zonch kit or whatever you want to call it. We got two of them. They cost $13, and then we got this tint off of Amazon, 5%. It's actually a pretty good, decent amount of film, but this kit comes with almost everything you need. Well, it comes with everything you need. Only thing it didn't come with is with the bottle, but pretty sure you guys have a bottle laying around. Come with it. Snap off blade, whole bunch of different squeegees. And yeah, if you guys want, I'll put a link in the description to the tint and this tinting kit. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into tinting the beautiful F10.
Yeah, I'm a thief in the night. I'm gonna walk on the beat like I might. Walk on the beat like I might. I'm a thief in the night. Shoot this shit up, I won't fight. Yeah. I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might. Yeah, did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on it, like a bite. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, yeah, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way. Yeah, having G with me, get racks. Yeah, back ain't coming back to back. Yeah, I fucked a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it.
I put my shit on a flight. I got big bag for the fish rag. I got baddie that won't stay the night. Fuck on them bitch that she fuck on your friend. Lil' homie, this everyday life. I ain't tripping on you, this is just the beginning. You gotta stick through the vibes. Nah, I ain't regular. Told her baby just hit on my cellular. And my twin got a Glock, he a carrier. Couple thump out the blick, he a barrier. Look, I'm scared, no. Pop Beijing, yeah. Rolls Royce curtain, pop a perky, fucking on me, Shirley, I'ma do it dirty, yeah.
I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might. Yeah, did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on it like a bite. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, yeah, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way. Yeah, having G with me, get racks. Yeah, back ain't coming back to back. Yeah, I fucked a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it.
Know it's whatever. We living better and better. Hot cold, so I Gucci the sweater. Jack skis out of West Cheese. Don't track me if it ain't about the cheddar. I do it better and better. We doing better forever. I said it once, I won't say it again. Yeah, baby, you trippin'. It's getting crazy outside, baby. It's best if you play your position. And I beat on my chest, I'm the king of the jungle. Blocking the bullshit that can make my tumble. Pass me the ball and they know I won't fumble.
I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might. Yeah, did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on it like a bite. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, yeah, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way. Yeah, having G with me, get racks. Yeah, back ain't coming back to back. Yeah, I fucked a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it. Yeah, I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might. Walk on the beat like I might. I'm a thief in the night. Shoot that shit up, I won't fight. Yeah, I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might, yeah. Did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on it, like a bike. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way, yeah. Heaven G with me, get racks, yeah. Back ain't coming back to back, yeah. I fought a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it.
I put my shit on a flight. I got big bag for the fish rate. I got baddie that won't stay the night. Fuck on them bitch that she fuck on your friend. Lil' homie, this everyday life. I ain't tripping on you, this is just the beginning. You gotta stick through the vibes. Nah, I ain't regular. Told her baby just hit on my cellular. And my tongue got a Glock, he a carrier. Couple thump out the blick, he a barrier. Look, I'm scaring him, hey. Pop Beijing, yeah. Rolls Royce curtain. Pop a perky, fucking on me, Shirley. I'ma do it dirty, yeah.
I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might, yeah. Did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on it like a bike. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way, yeah. Heaven G with me, get racks, yeah. Back ain't coming back to back, yeah. I fought a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it.
Know it's whatever. We living better and better. Hot cold, so I Gucci the sweater. Jack skis out of West Cheese. Don't track me if it ain't about the cheddar. I do it better and better. We doing better forever. I said it once, I won't say it again. Yeah. Baby, you trippin'. It's getting crazy outside, baby. It's best if you play your position. And I beat on my chest, I'm the king of the jungle. Blocking the bullshit that can make my tumble. Pass me the ball and they know I won't fumble.
I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might, yeah. Did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on it like a bike. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way, yeah. Heaven G with me, get racks, yeah. Back ain't coming back to back, yeah. I fought a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it. Niggas be cat like a fitted. Yeah, I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might. Walk on the beat like I might. I'm a thief in the night. Shoot that shit up, I won't fight. Oh, boy, this shit, yeah. I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might, yeah. Did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on it like a bike. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way, yeah. Heaven G with me, get racks, yeah. Back ain't coming back to back, yeah. I fought a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it.
I put my shit on a flight.
Me your ways. Not everybody could be as great as you and Tint that Tint is proud.
Well, I thought your dad was going to be a little bit better than me, but I guess not. There's one thing he's finally not good at.
Maybe it's because he can't Tint that Tint is proud.
He can't say that.
I got big bag for the fish rate. I got baddie that won't stay the night. Fuck on them bitch that she fuck on your friend. Lil' homie, this everyday life. I ain't tripping on you, this is just the beginning. You gotta stick through the vibes. Nah, I ain't regular. Told her baby just hit on my cellular. And my tongue got a Glock, he a carrier. Couple thump out the blick, he a barrier. Look, I'm scaring him, hey. Pop Beijing, yeah. Rolls Royce curtain. Pop a perky, fucking on me, Shirley. I'ma do it dirty, yeah.
I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might, yeah. Did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on it like a bike. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way, yeah. Heaven G with me, get racks, yeah. Back ain't coming back to back, yeah. I fought a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it.
Know it's whatever. We living better and better. Hot cold, so I Gucci the sweater. Jack skis out of West Cheese. Don't track me if it ain't about the cheddar. I do it better and better. We doing better forever. I said it once, I won't say it again. Yeah. Baby, you trippin'. It's getting crazy outside, baby. It's best if you play your position. And I beat on my chest, I'm the king of the jungle. breaking the bullshit that can make me tumble. Pass me the ball and they know I won't fumble.
I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might, yeah. Did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on the D like a bike. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, yeah, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way, yeah. FSG with me get racks, yeah. Back ain't coming back to back, yeah. I fucked a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never.
Well, got one window done, just gotta use the heat gun, get these little air bubbles out. Then, dug in. Migo, you still trying over there?
Gotta fix what y'all fucked up.
That's your second time trying though. I thought you were the tinter as a tinter pro.
Nigga, don't even try to bait me up, nigga. You know I'm the best one. Who did the best window? Nigga? Show them that shit right there.
Show him it, show him it.
Show them, yeah.
Alright bro, cause he think he tough. Think he tough. He's still, you feel me?
That's how it's supposed to be, fool.
Right there. But this shit tough though. I can't even front. Undisputed.
That shit's supposed to be like that.
Undisputed. You did good. You did good.
You don't even know about
Can't hate. Yo, this shit really is about to die, you know? Alright, so we got this window tinted. We got this window tinted. We got this window tinted. So now, the last window that's left to get tinted is this one. I've been fucking up on this window. We tried this shit like 4 or 5 times. Couldn't get it to go. This is the window that's perfect right here. This is the only one that's perfect. And once I'm done putting that window on, I'm gonna try to get, like, you see, 1, 2, and also I'm gonna try and fix up this little corner right here. And this is right here. So, but this isn't that bad. I'll probably just end up leaving it. But yeah, let's continue working, guys.
Yeah, I'm a thief in the night. I'm gonna walk on the beat like I might. Walk on the beat like I might. I'm a thief in the night. Shoot this shit up, I won't fight. Yeah. I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might. Yeah. Did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on the D like a bike. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, yeah, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way. Yeah. FSG with me get racks. Yeah. Back ain't coming back to back. Yeah. I fucked a little bit from the back. These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it.
I put my shit on a flight. I got big bag for the fish rate. I got baddie that won't stay the night. Fuck on no bitch that she fuck on your friend. Lil' homie, this everyday life. I ain't tripping on you, this is just the beginning. You gotta stick to the vibes. Nah, I ain't regular. Told her baby just hit on my cellular. And my tongue got a Glocky, a carrier. Couple thump out the blick, a barrier. Look, I'm scaring her, hey. Pop Beijing, yeah. Rolls Royce curtain, pop a perky, fucking on me, Shirley, I'ma do it dirty, yeah.
I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk on the beat like I might. Yeah. Did it first, now they bite. She gon' ride on the D like a bike. Yeah, I'm gon' shoot that shit up, ain't gon' fight. I wipe your nose, yeah, that boy get slime. I get to the money, ain't wasting no time. Walk out the house, yeah, I'm keeping my fire. I came a long way. Yeah. FSG with me get racks. Yeah. Back ain't coming back to back. Yeah. I fucked a little bit.
Listen, damn, as you guys can see, flawless. Oh no. There's a bubble right there. Yo, what's up, Garage Gang? So we back here another day. So we didn't get to put on the rear window tint, but we put on all 4 of the car door tint. Came out flawless. Well, not flawless, almost flawless. It's like I'll give it like an 89 out of 100. So it wasn't bad. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys a little cinematic of how everything came out, like final, like in the daylight where you can see it a little bit better. It wasn't really sunny today, so it is what it is. We still gotta put it out, but I'm gonna show you guys a little cinematic of that at the end. But anyways, yeah, this is why you always follow your gut and do what you want to do, and try to add new skills to your arsenal, because you're only as valuable as the skills that you possess and the stuff that you could do. So keep on trying new things. Don't be afraid to fail. Just keep going. Because we did my brother's rental, it came out bad. We kept going, my car came out good. See what I'm saying? So you just keep on pushing, you keep on chucking, right? And I want to thank everybody for being loyal. I know I haven't dropped that much. I just want to say shout out to all of y'all. And I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Hope nothing but blessings, wealth, life, and safety for all of my supporters. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Come on, Garage Gang. We going up. I know y'all see it, because I see it. Let's go, baby. Peace.
These niggas be cat like a fitted. TTG, yeah, they know that I'm with it. Had to stay in my lane. Swear that I will not change. Yeah, I never base it.
You know it's whatever. We living better and better. Hot cold, so I Gucci the sweater. Jet skis out of West Cheese. Don't track me if it ain't about the cheddar. I do it better and better. We doing better forever. I said it once, I won't say it again. Yeah. Baby, you trippin'. It's getting crazy outside, baby. It's best if you play your position. And I beat on my chest, I'm the king of the jungle. Blocking the bullshit that can make me tumble. Pass me the ball and they know I won't fumble.
I'm a thief in the night. I'm gon' walk in the